Hey guys, welcome back. If you find the current range of smartwatches very ordinary and want something futuristic, then look no further. The Amazfit X is one such smartwatch which has this 3D curved display that wraps around your wrist, button-free design and the body that's made up of titanium alloy. It has everything right from the looks, features to the design. So let me tell you everything about this watch right after this. Starting with the display of the device, the Amazfit X comes with a 2.07-inch AMOLED panel with a resolution of 206x640 pixels. The 326 ppi HD resolution display shows 100% NTSC color saturation and peak screen brightness of 400 nits. The display is rounded at 92 degrees, ensuring a more comfortable fit on your wrist. It's not just the display that's curved, even the body is curved. That includes the motherboard and battery. The company has used a process that includes heating up the display and the motherboard up to 700 degrees Celsius and also a 6-step bending process to achieve this 92-degree curvature. For navigating, Amazfit got rid of all the hardware buttons and has integrated a pressure-sensitive button on the side. The pressure button responds to touch with vibrations to provide positive feedback. Amazfit devices are generally geared toward fitness. The Amazfit X can monitor everything you'd expect, including heart rate, sleep quality, and stress tracking is also part of the feature list, and it will rate your levels as relaxed, normal, medium, or high. The Amazfit X has a SpO2 sensor, 6-axis IMU, and personal activity intelligence, that is Pi Health technology. There are a total of 9 different sports modes to make use of, offering both tracking and coaching tips to improve your workouts and exercises. There's indoor fitness, indoor cycling, pool swimming, walking, outdoor running, outdoor cycling, open water swimming, treadmill, and elliptical. Swim tracking is enabled thanks to 5 ATM water resistance. GPS and GLONASS is also on board, which means you'll be able to track your running or cycling routes without having to carry your smartphone around with you. Additionally, you can also track your text and call notifications, but it does not have NFC or a standalone LTE connection. The watch is incorporated with multiple handy settings such as Do Not Disturb, Nap Mode, Timer, Stopwatch, Wake Up Alarm, and Weather Forecast. Amazfit promises 7 days of battery life from its smartwatch hybrid powered by a 200 mAh battery, making the most of the form factor. It will come with a magnetic charging stand for easy charging. The wearable has a slated retail price of $329, but Indiegogo users can grab it for as low as $149. Depending on the perk, it can go as high as $358, and shipping is scheduled for the month of August. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. For more such interesting videos, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.